Hello, today we have bought Huawei watch GT2 42mm smartwatch, color rose gold. Price in Latvia 169 euros. Let's see what is inside the box, and later on let's turn it on and see how it's working with iOS. Here it is. Opens up like that. Here is the watch. Charging dock, magnetic one. As other Huawei watches. Here is the cable. Let's see how it looks. Looks pretty long one. I usually like Huawei cables. This will be useful also not only for this watch but for me for phone charging. Good one. What else is here? This is not coming out. Okay, let's take a watch. Watch is really beautiful. My wife loved it on the first eyesight and decided to buy it. Huawei, metallic gold, rose gold, very beautiful. She liked it more than the new one because of these two buttons. For the GT3 there is one bigger and the usual button. She didn't like it as much as this one. So that's the first look. Strap is adjustable. It's good. I don't know how it's working. Something like that. Adjusts. Here is the spots where it can be adjusted. Let's see what else in the box. Somewhere I read about it and it told that there is also silicone strap inside complete, but it's not here, so looks like if we want it we will order it in AliExpress. It's usual size, 20mm, quick release, so it will be easy to find other straps if needed. Huawei warranty card. Up. Instruction about strap adjustment and quick start guide. So we will try to turn it on and connect with iPhone. Four big sensors. Let's see if it is charged as a new one. Let's try to turn it on. I don't know how does it start. This one for about 3 to 5 seconds. What languages are here? English, Espanol, French, quite a lot. Oh, even my native language, Latvian. Let's choose that. Oh, it's asking me already to download application, and I need to pair it, and to do that I need to scan it, so I need my wife's phone for that. Let's open Huawei application. It's Apple 12 with iOS 15. I need to add a device. Smartwatch. Huawei Watch series. Watch 2. Okay, and it offers me and it shows me that I do not need to scan it, but I can straight connect through Bluetooth, and I select to pair. It is pairing and I accept it in both devices. Allow to receive notifications, and it's done properly. Look, it very easy. So I have all devices here. What we see here on application. This is our watch connected, 47% on new device. Okay, it also offers watch faces, health monitoring, alarm, weather reports, health, other firmware update. Of course we need it. One update completed. What's happening next? It is still doing something. Okay, now it's working with watch. Let's wait for some time. Update took a while, approximately 1.5 hours. It was a huge update. It didn't finish to install, it only was moved from phone to watch, and battery was already gone, so it is now on watch, and when I will charge it, then I will be able to finish installing this update. But at least I can go through some options in a phone and watch. So I already checked through watch faces. I put to install one free face on installation manager. It is still installing. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, it is ready, and yes, here it is. New face. So there are some free watch faces, a lot of payable faces, so you are not left alone with only watch installed faces. Those are not very much here, but still there are. Let's put back the original one. Yeah, I'm not going through all Huawei Health application. You can check it by yourself, but let's see what is in the watch more, its interface and what are functions installed here. So you can, what I found during the day, you can change these buttons options. We put that there are messages, notifications. Here it offers workouts and other measurements. See by yourself. To go back, just slide that way. Here is all your day's work, music, weather, and to enable automatic stress test, it's needed to be turned on in through phone application. Also, the same is heart rate monitoring. And what else? So here you can turn on do not disturb or night regime, alarm, show time, it's also do not disturb, and some settings. Bluetooth for earbuds, display settings, vibration settings, other settings. Let's see what type of workouts are here. Okay. Running courses, different kind of runs, walks, cyclings, also swimming options. Trainers, others, and here you can add. Let's see, what can I add? Some strength options, aerobics, different kind of trainings. Let's check if there is something like basketball, because on my Samsung they are not available through watch, at least on Galaxy Watch 46mm, quite old version. A lot of different sports, very much options. Okay, here are sports: volleyball, handball, baseball, cricket, football, hockey also. That's good for me, but I didn't see basketball, probably because you cannot use those kinds of attributes while playing basketball. Of course, water sports, winter sports, extreme sports, a lot of options, very good, more than my Samsung. Workout records, status, heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, stress, and so on. So yeah, it looks very great. Smartwatch, and also works very well with iOS. Everything I tested is working. Thank you for listening.